Why do some people become rich even when they start with nothing, while others work hard every day and still struggle to pay the bills? Is it just luck? Inheritance? Or is there a pattern the rich follow that we never learn? The truth is, wealth is not just about working hard. It's about working smart and understanding the game of money. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful secrets that rich people know but never teach in schools, and most won't tell you. 1. The rich buy assets, not things. Here's the first big secret. Rich people don't spend their money the way most people do. When a poor or middle-class person gets paid, what's the first thing they do? They buy stuff, clothes, gadgets, cars, or even vacations. Things that make them look successful, but don't actually make them richer. The wealthy? They think differently. They take that same money and use it to buy assets, stocks, real estate, or businesses. Assets are things that put money into your pocket, not take it out. And the craziest part? They use the money their assets make to buy the fun stuff. They don't say, "Can I afford this?" They ask, "What asset can I buy that will pay for this?" If you want to build real wealth, stop spending like the poor. Start thinking like the rich and let your money work for you. 2. The rich use money as a tool, not the goal. Most people chase money like it's the finish line. They think, if I just make $1 million, I'll finally be happy. But the rich? They see money very differently. To them, money is never the goal, it's a tool. A tool to buy time. A tool to create options. A tool to control their future. Think about it. Would you rather have a fancy car or freedom to choose how to live each day? The wealthy design their lives around freedom, not luxury. They use money to buy back their time, hiring others, automating tasks, building passive income. Because in the end, time is the real wealth. So if your goal is just get rich, stop. Ask instead, how can I use money to live the life I actually want? 3. The rich play the tax game smarter. Want to know something crazy? Some billionaires legally pay less tax than a regular office worker. How? Because they know how to play the system. They don't earn in the traditional way. They build businesses, invest in assets, and borrow instead of sell. Why sell a stock and pay tax when you can borrow against it and keep growing it? It's a game of financial strategy, and they've mastered it. Meanwhile, the average person gets a paycheck, loses a big chunk to taxes, and then spends what's left. The rich do the opposite. They invest first, then spend, and often pay taxes last, or not at all. It's not cheating. It's knowing the rules better than anyone else. And unless you learn those rules, you'll keep paying more than they do. 4. The rich build multiple streams of income. Here's something most people never do, but every rich person does. They don't rely on one income stream. If you only make money from your job, you're one decision away from losing it all. What happens if you get laid off? What if your industry changes or the company shuts down? Rich people prepare for this. They build multiple income streams. From rental properties, investments, side businesses, digital products, or royalties. Some have 3. Others have 7 or more. This doesn't happen overnight, but they start small, maybe with a YouTube channel, an online store, or investing $100 per month. Then, they grow slowly and smartly. The goal? If one stream fails, others keep flowing. Because wealth isn't built from one paycheck, it's built from options. So ask yourself, if your main income stopped tomorrow, what would keep you afloat? 5. The rich use debt to build wealth. This one might shock you. Most people fear debt. They've been told, debt is bad. Stay away. But the rich? They don't fear debt. They understand it. They know there's a difference between bad debt and good debt. Bad debt is buying things you can't afford, like luxury clothes or a vacation, and paying interest forever. But good debt? That's when you borrow money to buy assets, things that make you money. The wealthy use good debt to buy real estate, grow businesses, or invest. They borrow at 5% interest to earn 15%. That's how they grow faster with other people's money. It's not about avoiding debt, it's about mastering it. So next time you think about loans, ask yourself, will this make me poorer or richer? You don't need to be born rich. You just need to learn what the rich already know and act on it. The game is real. Most people never win it because they never learn the rules. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Brain Buzz channel. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.